We can generate a time-based OTP by using Python. It will expire in 30 seconds. And after, a new OTP is generated. It is very easy to make in a few lines of code. Let's get started. Open your Visual Studio Code. Create a new file called OTPY. And save in your Python folder. Go to terminal. We can install some packages. Pip install pyop. After, we can open another new terminal. Let's begin the code. Import PYOTP. Import time. Secret underscore key equals PYOTP. The random underscore base 32 open bracket. Print open bracket format string f double quotations your secret key colon open curly brackets secret underscore key. Top equal to PYOTP. TOTP bracket secret underscore key. OTP equal to top. Now bracket print open bracket string f double quotations your OTP is open curly brackets type OTP. Time dot sleep open brackets 30 new OTP equals to top. Now open brackets print open brackets format string f double quotations new OTP is open curly brackets type new underscore OTP. Run the code. See, your random OTP is generated 141198. This OTP is expire in just 30 seconds. After 30 seconds a new OTP is generated. New OTP is generated 808499.